is Amira. Investing in shares today can be your gateway to financial freedom.
Funds invested in any financial asset are always with the expectation that it will generate positive income or increase its value.
To participate in the stock market, we need a CDS account and a trading account.
Many people are wondering how to open CDS and trading account.
So, here's a quick guide. A CDS account is a central depository system account.
It is fully owned by Bursa Malaysia Depository.
It keeps the record of the ownership and movement of the shares traded in Bursa Malaysia. In addition of CDS account, we also need to open a trading account.
A trading account is used to place, buy or sell orders in the market. So, here's a simple step. You need to find any investment bank or stockbroking company to open a CDS and trading account.
Once you have identified your preferred stockbroking company or investment bank, bring your identity card and bank documents to stockbroker's office for verification, and the company will appoint you a broker. Look out for the confirmation notice from the stockbroking company through your email in the next few days.
This email will provide you with all information that can be used for trading.
But before we make an investment, we should know our investment goals. Goal setting plays such an important and integral part of the investing journey.
Investment goals are financial objectives that we wish to achieve by investing our money. What's the common investing goal?
So, let's get into it!
Most of investors make an investment to save up for their retirement in the future, and this is one of the ultimate long-term goals.
Other than their own salaries, investors also hope to increase their income by receiving dividend or interest.
People often save money over the years to accumulate the funds needed for major expenditure, such as a down payment on a house or a car.
Our income tax contains provision that allows taxpayers to avoid paying personal income taxes on certain types of investment.
There are a few things more when you do an investment. For example, when you buy a share of company Sakura Energy, your account will be credited to share of Sakura Energy at 9 AM on P+3, the 3 days on the immediate working days.
Your payment has to be made on certain event that day. If not, your share will be foresold at the contract date or contract loss.
For brokerage fees, it is 0.7% maximum of the value of total shares traded. Normal practice is 0.6%.
For the clearance fee, 0.03% of contract value subject to capital of 200 ringgit.
For stamp duty, it is 1 ringgit for every 1,000 worth of value.